Welcome once again to our series of brief video tutorials on finding, writing, and citing. In this series, we demonstrate how to use Refworks, a cloud-based reference management tool which all members of the WMU community are licensed to use. See the first video in the Refworks series for instructions on how to access your Refworks account. In our other videos, we demonstrated how to type in a citation manually and several ways of migrating citations to Refworks without any need to type on your part. In this video, we want to demonstrate the last way of getting citation information into Refworks, and that is by inserting a full-text document. Here I have an article from Science Direct. You can see this is in the journal Marine Policy, Volume 81, July 2017, page numbers 368 to 374. The title is A Global Snapshot of Marine Biodiversity Offsetting Policy by several authors. So here's the data that we need to get into Refworks, and of course, being Science Direct, as we demonstrated in a previous video, we could just click this Save to Refworks and it will work. But I went ahead and downloaded the PDF just so I could show you how it would work in Refworks if you find yourself with a PDF that might be a good document but doesn't have the metadata ready to export the way Science Direct does. So let me go back to Refworks. We're logged in here. And remember, when we add a new citation, we could create them manually. We showed several ways of importing, sometimes directly from databases in one or a batch. Sometimes you have to download to your hard drive and then upload, as in this case here. I want to show you the final way, which is actually just to bring in a document from your hard drive PDF. I have one here. This is the one we got from Science Direct. Okay, and this actually takes a minute. So like just pretend this is a cooking show, and this is one that the very same document that I imported a few minutes ago. I didn't want you to have to wait while that process went on. But as you can see, it imported the metadata. When I click this, note I actually have the document attached. Remember that whenever you import data, you need to make sure, just click the edit there, and make sure that everything's in the proper place, that things are spelled correctly and the data is in the right format, etc. Again, we want to make sure that it's the right fields. This is a journal article, so that worked out. And just give it a look over because you're responsible for the data no matter how it got in there. The other thing about this feature is now you actually have a document attached to your citation, and as far as I can remember, you are able to highlight as well as make comments, take notes, etc. as you're reading the document. So that's a pretty swell feature.